Let's demonstrate RF micro needling RF radio frequency machine. So this is the latest machine with single hand piece. It has multiple pin cartridges. So see the machine beauty, see the aesthetics of machine, and this is the kind of touch screen. This is 10.5 inches touch screen TFT panels, and this is the hand piece. You can see the hand piece quality, and this is the cartridge. It's a detachable cartridge. You can use this cartridge like this. So this is the handpiece, vacuum based handpiece, and this is the micro needling things. It has the very good thing in this machine. The beauty of this machine is we have insulated needling procedure cartridges. So the RF energy only available on tips only. So once you press the button, so needle can insert, but RF energy only available on the tip. So the result wise, this is very good and very effective. So we will demonstrate. So this is the kind of fixing, and we can fix it like this, and finally we can start the procedure. So let's start. So this is the machine, this is the initial interface, and initially you can see the manual mode and auto mode. So we can select any mode, we can use any mode as per the requirement. So once it is like once we do the face treatment, so we can select face. So facial area described here, like you want on forehead, so you can select forehead. So it will give you the guidance about the forehead. If you want this area, if you want that area, nose area, cheeks, and jaw area, neck area, anywhere you can do the procedure of any fractional treatment. If you want the procedure on the body, so you can select the body pattern. It will automatically goes up to the manual method. You can do the auto method also, and these are the frequencies. So you can select the time of the procedure. You can make the depth, like you can see here it is 0.2 mm. You can go up to, see the procedure, 1.5 mm. So 1.5 mm for the fractional treatment is a very high depth. So suppose we start with the 0.5. So I'll select 0.5 and I'll show you. And speed of the gun, like 0.1 second means 1 second के अंदर, like within a 1 second, 0.1 second means seconds का very minimum time ये fire करता है और immediate fire करके वापस आता है. So we can increase this speed up to 0.5 second, and it is start from 0.1 second. Suction means the overall the mechanism of the needle suction. So it has only 3 variant. So we can select suction, sorry, so suction. So two powers here, 1 and 2. You can select any kind of suction, and the RF energy. You can see the 10 watt of the RF energy. That means it has a very good power. It can goes up to 150 watt of RF. That means high frequency of radio. You can do the treatment. Initially, like any good treatment, you can do up to 20-30 watt is okay for you. So let's start with the procedure. Say we work on facial treatment. Say cheeks area, we work on manual treatment. So suppose the time I'll select say 30 minutes of the procedure area. So like this, select 30 minutes. Depth, it's a face area, so I will select 0.5 mm. Speed, I will select 0.2 seconds. Suction, I'll select 1 or 2, anything. And power, I'll select 10 wattage, and then start. So you can see the sound. You can hear the sound, and finally just see the needling things. Like once I press, so it will clearly puncture. So this is the things, I'm starting things. So this is 0.5 mm. So just press it. You can see the needle, just press it. You can see the small needle. Okay, I'll increase the depth like 1 mm. So needle penetration will be high. You can see the needle penetration. I'll do it on high power, that is 1.5 mm. See the power of needle like this, and I'll increase up to 2 mm. This is the whole total frequency. You can see the penetration of needle and the power. Speed I can increase again. Suction full wattage I can increase and then see the final deliverable. Press it and back. Press and back. Automatically it is goes into the dermis and back. So we can do this procedure like this. Say 0.2 mm. And so like this. Okay, so this is the machine all about, and finally this is the machine, and you can see the aesthetics of the overall machine, and it will come into a very good casing, very good box, so you can carry this machine in your multiple clinics and multiple treatment areas. You can carry this machine in your car. So this is the machine all about. Thank you so much.